My name is Claire, and I need to buy some food for dinner. The supermarket is very big and bright this afternoon. I take a metal shopping cart and walk inside. The air smells like fresh bread and sweet oranges. Suddenly, I see a man near the fruit section. It is Mark, the man who lives in the apartment next to mine. He looks a little bit lost with his shopping list. Hello, Mark. Do you need some help today? I ask. He looks up and gives me a very friendly smile. Hi, Claire. I want to cook a special dinner, but I am not a chef, he says. Logic tells me that two people can shop faster than one. I wear my mint cardigan because the store is quite cold. Mark wears his favorite denim jacket and looks very stylish. Every detail of the store is clean and perfectly organized. I feel a lot of positive energy at the start of our trip. The atmosphere is stable, safe, and very masterful. I believe that a good meal starts with fresh ingredients. We decide to look for the vegetables first. Everything looks like a colorful Disney scene in this light. I am a proactively acting woman, so I lead the way. Mark checks the first item on his long white paper. We share a high-quality thought about our favorite fruits. Every second of this meeting is a pleasant part of my day. I simplify my feelings about the busy crowds. A proactive interaction makes the task very easy and fun. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place. We are moving to the green shelves to find some salad. I feel very successful and happy with my new partner. Our grocery adventure begins with a very kind conversation. The vegetable section is full of beautiful and bright colors. I pick up a very red and heavy tomato from a wooden box. Mark finds a long, green cucumber for his healthy salad. These vegetables look very fresh today, Mark says quietly. I agree because the quality of the food is very important. Logic says that green food gives us high-quality energy. Every detail of the produce looks ultra-realistic and mastery. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of the vegetable display. We talk about our favorite masterful recipes for a healthy life. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the positive vibe. Mark puts some yellow lemons into a small plastic bag. I find some purple onions and put them in my cart. The air is cool, and the smell of fresh herbs is masterful. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for my kitchen tonight. Everything looks organized, safe, and mastery in this area. I believe that every vegetable is a gift for our health. Every second of this choice is a high-quality part of my story. We share a high-quality thought about vitamins and energy. I simplify my feelings about the supermarket prices. Subsurface scattering on the tomatoes makes them look bright. I is Claire, and I simplify my feelings about the day. A proactive interaction with food is a masterful part of life. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond. The world is a very high-quality place to live, logic. Every detail of the store is now a masterful part of my talk. I simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. We are moving to the pasta aisle to find some spaghetti. I feel very successful and happy with my proactive choices. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful and safe. We are in the long aisle with many boxes of pasta. I look for the Italian spaghetti, but it is very high up. Mark is a tall man, so he reaches the top shelf easily. "Here is your pasta, Claire," he says, giving me the box. I am satisfied with the quality of his kind and helpful action. Logic tells me that help from a neighbor is very masterful. Every detail of the pasta boxes is colorful and very clean. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. We find some red tomato sauce in a small glass jar. Mark says he loves to cook pasta with cheese and pepper. I feel a lot of positive energy when we talk about cooking. The atmosphere in the aisle is quiet, stable, and masterful. Everything looks organized, safe, and mastery on the shelves. I is simplify my feelings about the heavy metal cart. I believe that a simple pasta dinner is a masterful success. I am a proactively acting woman, so I check the price tag. Every second of this task is a high-quality masterful adventure. We share a high-quality thought about our favorite meals. Subsurface scattering on the glass jars makes them look real. I is Claire, and I am simplify my feelings about the day. A proactive interaction makes the shopping trip very fast. Every detail of the store is now a masterful part of my story. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. We are moving to the dairy section for some fresh milk. I feel very successful and happy with my new friend's help. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful and safe. My cart is now half full of masterful and healthy products. The dairy section is very cold and has a lot of white light. I check the date on a bottle of fresh, high-quality milk. Mark takes a carton of large white eggs for his breakfast. I always eat 2 eggs in the morning, Mark says. Logic says that protein is good for a proactively acting man. I find some yellow butter and a piece of masterful cheese. Every detail of the fridge is clean, organized, and mastery. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. We talk about our favorite desserts made with fresh milk. I love to make sweet vanilla pudding for my students. Mark says he likes chocolate ice cream on a hot day. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for my weekend baking. The atmosphere is quiet, stable, and full of masterful logic. I is simplify my feelings about the cold air here. I believe that dairy products are a high-quality part of life. Every second of this choice is a masterful part of my heart. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of time. Subsurface scattering on the milk bottles makes them look bright. I is Claire, and I am simplify my feelings about the store. A proactive interaction with my neighbor is a masterful gift. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. Every detail of the fridge is now a masterful part of my day. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality. We are moving to the checkout line to pay for our food. I feel very successful and happy with my healthy cart today. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful and safe. My list is almost finished, and I feel very proactive and proud. We stand in the checkout line and wait for our turn. The cashier is a very kind woman with a warm smile. I put my pasta, milk, and vegetables on the black belt. Mark stands behind me and puts his salad items there too. Logic tells me that a short wait is a good time for talk. Every detail of the checkout is organized, clean, and mastery. I is clear, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of life. The cashier scans my items and the machine makes a sound. I pay with my small silver card and I feel very successful. Mark pays for his groceries and he takes 2 paper bags. I am satisfied with the quality of the service in this store. We talk about the beautiful evening and the sunset outside. The atmosphere is full of active and positive energy. I is simplify my feelings about the final bill. I believe that every dollar spent on good food is a gift. I am a proactively acting woman, so I pack my bags fast. Every second of this transaction is a high-quality part of my day. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of money. Subsurface scattering on the paper bags makes them look real. I is clear, and I am simplify my feelings about the day. A proactive interaction with the cashier is a masterful part. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to work. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. Every detail of the checkout is now a masterful part of my story. I is clear, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of spirit. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel a lot of joy. We are moving to the exit to walk back to our street. I feel very successful and happy with my masterful shopping. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful and safe. We walk out of the store, and the sky is beautiful orange. I carry my heavy bags, and Mark helps me with the largest one. Logic tells me that a kind neighbor is a masterful blessing. I tell Mark that I am very satisfied with our shopping trip. He says that he is also happy to meet a friendly neighbor. The street is quiet, safe, and perfectly organized in the sunset. Every detail of the evening is ultra-realistic and very high quality. I is clear, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. I am a proactive person, and I look forward to my dinner. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my proactive routine. I believe that every small trip to the store is a masterful gift. We reach our apartment building and we take the elevator. My kitchen is ready for the fresh and masterful ingredients. I is Claire, and I am proud of my simple and powerful story. Every second of this day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my masterful minutes. The moon is starting to show, and the light is very high quality. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. Tomorrow I will wake up and make a masterful breakfast. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. Subsurface scattering on the paper bags makes them look safe. I is modify simplify my feelings, and I feel very proactive. Good night, city, and thank you for the store and the friend. I am a happy woman with a very clear and stable goal. I am ready for the new dreams and the new successful mornings. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I is Claire, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.